Did you know that in Dubai you can get married in 24 hours? Well, there are more amazing facts that you probably didn't know. So let's explore 5 mind-blowing facts about Dubai. Number 2, Dubai has a 7-day work week. While most of the world works from Monday to Friday, Dubai follows a slightly different schedule. In an effort to boost its economy and provide its citizens with a better work-life balance, Dubai implemented a new 48-hour weekend starting in 2022. Now the work week begins on Sunday and ends on Thursday, with Friday being a half day and Saturday being a full day off. This gives UAE residents an extra long weekend to enjoy, which is awesome. Number 3, you can drive on the right side of the road in Dubai. While most countries drive on either the left or right side of the road, Dubai is one of the few places where you can drive on both sides. This is due to the country's unique history as a trading hub between East and West. When the British came to Dubai in the 19th century, they noticed that the locals were driving on the wrong side of the road, so they switched it to the right side. This made it easier for them to trade with other countries in the region and beyond. Today, visitors to Dubai can experience what it's like to drive on the right side of the road. Just be sure to stay alert and cautious when sharing the road with other vehicles. Number 4, there are no beggars in Dubai. Dubai has taken great measures to ensure the safety and well-being of its citizens and visitors alike. One of the ways they do this is by prohibiting begging. The government believes that begging is a sign of poverty, and they don't want people to feel sorry for themselves or others. They would rather give people the opportunity to make something of themselves through education and job training. If you see someone begging in Dubai, you can be sure that they will be arrested. Number 5. In Dubai, you can be arrested for taking a photo of a woman without her consent. While it may seem like a harmless act, it is actually illegal in Dubai. The law in Dubai is very strict when it comes to photography, and you could face up to 6 months in prison if you are found guilty of taking photos of women without their consent. It doesn't matter if the photos are for personal use or for commercial purposes, consent is always required. Even if you have the best of intentions, it's important to respect the laws and customs of the country you're visiting. Otherwise, you could end up behind bars. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.